Good morning, homies. I hope you're doing well. Well, we'll start our usual update with euro dollar, which is clearly in a downtrend. At the Monday open, I said in the group that I will take some profits at the open, which we did. It was somewhere here, I think. Yeah, something like that. And then we took some profits in around this area here, so we basically kind of booked to our trade so far. I still have some small position running from here, and I will probably add here again. Yesterday we set up for a squeeze. Me and Paul, I think, took the trade. I hope Paul took the trade because I certainly did, and the results were posted. Basically, I think we're still in a downtrend. I don't think anything will change. Um, and I don't think anything will change. If it's going to turn, I think it's gonna be in around this area. If not, I think the fall will continue. Let's take a look at the Australian dollar. We haven't traded this at all. We said that if it will, where was it? The one with the drawing. Oh, yeah. I can't find the one with the drawing, but we said if it will come and test this area again, we will short. We didn't get it. Um, it was here, but then from here it just dropped. It melted, right? So it's okay. We will wait for this. If it's gonna happen something, I think in around this area here. Um, we have we have some strong confluence here, so we'll see. What the hell happened to this? Okay, this is an error from trading view. I don't have this stuff on my I think Paddy said that he had some issues with the drawings, so maybe I they will fix it later in the day. I don't know. So yeah, with this one we're being patient. DXY, well, as I told you many times before, I keep repeating this. From a seasonality point of view, the dollar is strong until end of year. To be honest, this looks like a breaking out pattern. If this is some sort of deviation, okay, but it's one, two, three. So if today we get some 4 hour candle close above here, I think we will definitely test these highs. If we test these highs, we here's the thing: we either gonna turn, and if we turn, it's gonna be something like either like this, right? Or it will be like a proper double top, like this, or it will overshoot like this and then come down. As I told you, with these double tops, they don't always form like right on the money, right? So we have to kind of be careful. Bank of England really rug pulled us yesterday. Um, I have no issue that he pulled the plug on the British pound, but I don't know why he said deal with it. That's nothing. That's something that you shouldn't say, Mr. Andrew Bailey. But definitely that's not our problem. I actually was in a short from here, very aggressive short. Before I went to bed, I set my stop loss to 10 pips. Uh, sorry, 20 pips, not 10 pips. So Obviously, I got stopped because of an article that was from FT saying that the Bank of England will continue to buy in secret these gilts, which is, to be honest, they should be shot for doing stuff like this. But I think someone didn't get filled on shorts last night, and they were pretty upset. So I don't know. But yeah, this move was very, very like 1% move in one candle. As long as we stay below this red line, sorry, I don't know why I put like a strong red line here, but as long as we stay below, we should be good, right? So no stress with that. I added again some shorts. I've widened my stop loss a bit, but so it's something like this. If I get this, yeah, 5 hour trade, but I will set up some alerts in around this area and here. See if I will see how price reacts here. Um, Let me delete this a bit. So we have to be mindful of. You see, kind of reacted from the 50%. So I think it's almost there. So technically, we're at the range high point. So we're still in the upper part of the range, right? But we'll see how it plays this morning in, I don't know, maybe like 2 3 hours if we continue down. The yields, wow, guys, this is not looking good, brothers. If it continues to push, um, it's definitely not looking good. We have tomorrow CPI, so that will be a trigger for the markets. I don't think too much will happen today, but you never know. Um, the oil trade, guys, that was such a fantastic trade that I didn't take. Also, I'll just delete this. Um, that was nice to see. I think if there is something to do here, I think definitely go for a long in this area. So like this. Um, so yeah, 3 hour trade. I don't want to go too much on in details with this, but yeah, 3 hour trade should be fine if we get something like this. But I'm I'm expecting something like this, to be honest. So I'll set up an alert here. If we get it here, then I will enter the trade. Let me see. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna break out. So everything I think it's gonna sit for now. Let's take a look at stocks. Yeah, they look pretty bad. I would say here a flush towards this area here. So if we get if we make a flush to this area, then probably something like this and a squeeze, something like that. Or if it squeezes from here, okay. If not, no worries. Um, but yeah, I don't think it will do anything today or tomorrow. But it looks very weak, same as Nasdaq. It kind of broke 11,000, and we're still holding below. If we gonna do like this, if this is just some sort of um, you know flush on the downside, and you know something like that. But let's see how the market reacts later in the day. Crypto, not much, guys. Where is the short? Here. So we had a short which we closed, and then we took a long in the group. Paddy, if you're still in the trade, I think you should hold it. I am still in this long here, but I got in much lower, so I got in from here. So my target will be 20K. So if we are still in this, Paddy, if you're still in this into this trade, I think you should hold it and be patient. Um, I'm still in the short, but I took profits and I scalped basically Bitcoin. So as you can see, we kind of look like we're ready to break out of this range. So let's be patient here. Just sit in your trade and do nothing. Ethereum looks like for the millionth time the range low has been tested. If I were to take a long, it's gonna be from here. Let me show you. So my stop loss will be like this, and I'll aim for the range high. Okay. So 4 hour trade, and here we have a 9 hour trade. So let's wait and be patient for now. Um, it's very hard to trade this stuff, man. I mean, um, you know, that's like up and down 2% for a currency. It's a lot, right? So be mindful of these black swans and all these kind of events that kind of uh, you know pulls us down. Here there is a very high chance this started to increase again for a terminal rate of 400 basis points. So we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we have CPI. So if guys, just be very very mindful of this event here. If this comes in higher than expected, or at least if it comes in the same but the core is very very strong, so if the core is above expectation, just be very very mindful. Okay, so we'll take this as soon as it comes. I will let you know obviously in the group what we will do. So that's basically it for today. Really not much to say. I said I will be a good boy until we get this news released. So I will just sit on my hands and probably do nothing for now. So that will be it, I would say. Yeah. So as I said, if this is gonna reverse, it's gotta be from here, right? So be very very mindful. I said that I will add shorts, but I'm gonna wait for London Open. Probably 1 hour later, after the London opens, I will see if I can if I will take a trade, because right now I am definitely sure that the market will sort of squeeze ahead of the CPI event. So let's see. Have a great day and catch you later. And if you have questions in the group, please let me know.